Hey traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Happy Thursday. Wow, seriously, man. Another 3% on the day, which brings us to just about 10% on the week. But man, what a start to the year. Up 27%. Another awesome trading night and into the London session. Hey Pierre, yes sir. Hey Anthony, what's going on guys? Just looking in the chat here. Mia, hey Mia. Hey Simon, what's up Jeffrey? First things first and drink a little coffee. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look then at the trades. Let's bring up the trades from last night. We had this 5-minute trend from yesterday. This 15-minute reversal short was from yesterday. So today's trades were this New Zealand dollar. We had a 5-minute trend on pound dollar, and we had a monster on pound dollar. 1 and 5-minute leg on the monster. And so pound dollar did good, did well for us last night and over London session. I say last night, but that means London session because I'm in the States. And we did have a loser, a slight loser on a reversal of 5 pips. So we'll have to see what the weighting was on that, how it was weighted. That was yesterday. So here's the 21st. Here we go. Alright, so yeah, a nice monster with the 5-minute. That did a lot of the work right there. Now remember, the monster's not dynamically lot sized, so it's a half position each leg. So I can tell you right now, this was about 6.5 full position pips, and this was about 9 full position pips. So that was really 15 full position pips. That was 1.5% by itself. That was half the job to 3 right there. So the monsters were 1.5%. 5-minute trend did well. It looked good. I can't tell you exactly what it's weighted at until we look at the experts tab. All right, let's see. So we're up to 12,782 from a $10,000 account. So that is 27.83%. That makes perfect sense. Let's take a look then at the trades as they occurred on the experts log. Let's go to the beginning of the day. Here it is. You can see here that we started with 12,407.74. That was yesterday's balance. So remember, we were up 24.07%, and we made 3%. So we should only be up 27%, right? But we're up 27.8, and almost another full percent. And that's because it's compounding now. So what was 3% on the balance of yesterday is really 4% of our original deposit into the account. So we started there, and then our auto close target was 12,779.97. So what it's saying is, if our open trades together combine to be more than this level, the equity, account equity, then it will close all open trades and you're flat. Was it 12,779.97? Yeah, look, 12,782.94. So rounded 8.3, and it was looking for rounded 8.0. So an extra $3 we got over the level, and it closed out. So that's where we ended up today. Here's a monster long. So the monster long entered. The dynamic stop was 21 pips away on the monster. What is it, pound dollar? Let's look at it. Oh yeah, you can see. So it was back here. Where's the entry? 37, big figure. That's the 5-minute entry. Where's the 1-minute entry? 05. So big figure in 05. It's still at 26, but it was over here somewhere. Yeah, there it is right there. So the entry was right here. That was the 5-minute entry. So 1-minute entry was probably in this area somewhere. And then boom, it launched. It really went up to a high of 44. So we would have had a lot there. There's a perfect example of leaving pips on the table. That thing went 40 pips. And we only took 18 and 12 of them. And that's because the auto shutoff took us out of these trades. So these actually would have gone a lot further. So we definitely clipped our wings for the past 3 days. We've clipped our wings pretty much every day. And here's all the closes. Achieve daily growth target, auto shutoff level. Boom. And that's it. And then boring day after that, right? And these are all the settings I've shared with you guys. So hopefully you should be getting the same results. And by the way, the only time I took any manual trades at all, you can go back and see, is in the very beginning. So January 4th was the first trading day of this year. See, it started with a reversal. We lost. And my psychology said, hell no. So I took a manual trade and got it back, right? Then it had a reversal. Then I was like, okay, I'm going to take another manual trade. And I won. I'm like, all right, let's trade. I took a manual trade and I lost. And that's it. I was like, you know what? This is a new year. Forget the manual trades. We're not going to do manual trades. I'm going to try not to do any manual trades because I want to do this in a way that everyone can easily replicate, because it's very hard to replicate manual trading. So it's very difficult to replicate somebody else's manual discretionary trades. It's near impossible. So I wanted to create something that was something everyone could pick up on and everyone could do and everyone could get the same results on. So I stopped taking manual trades. This was the last one on the 4th. I did not take another manual trade since then. And it has been all breakouts, monsters, 5-minute trends. There's been 15-minute reversals, 5-minute reversals, 1-minute trends, 5-minute trends, monsters, and that's about it. So those are about all the trades we've gotten so far. All right, okay, let's go back to the chart though. That's the fun stuff. So yeah, I mean, that's an equity curve I don't think anyone would complain about. We've net profit 2782, 10,000 deposit. By the way, floating, this is another important part, guys. I mean, most accounts, there's always some trade floating that's negative, right? This one, no, we're flat. We have no stress, none. All right, so no open trades. And how many trades do we have? I mean, we're hitting 64% of the trades. So we're 73 and 41 wins to losses. Yes, 1% risk per trade. Per trade is 1% risk, exactly. Looks like 114 trades. So we're getting our history up there. And the great thing is we only risk 2% per day, so being this high, being up 27% feels pretty safe as long as you don't do anything dumb.